Hello, this is Kevin from JBH. I'm going to introduce the fifth model, DC05, our carbon fiber wheelchair. You can look at the whole wheelchair is all done by carbon fiber. You can see easily the pattern of carbon fiber. It's look really more elegant and it's really lightweight and leaving no welding point at all. It's allow you to have more easier maintenance on the wheelchair, and also it's lightweight, more strength. I'm gonna show you how easy to fold the wheelchair. Simply just touch the button here and then close it. In 3 seconds you can just finish the folding, and then to open it, it's just 1 second. It's really easy, just like open the chair. And then you can access the wheelchair from the sides by lift up the armrest, and then you can get inside there. Very easy to access on both sides. And then we have the controller that allow you to switch to this side, or you can have a caregiver with a connector. We can offer you that you can do caregiver control on the back. The strength of the armrest is really good. I can show you. I'm hitting really hard here. It's quite strong, and also the seat width is a lot bigger than aluminum. It's about 51 centimeters seat width that allow bigger size of people sitting here, no problem, with a lot of comfort. We have the carbon fiber made one-piece formed of the footrest here. It's really light and really easy to control it, lower it down, quite easy. And this DC05 have very simple design of the frame with 2 bar here. Is really lightweight and neat. And then we have 3 battery here that allow you to have 30 kilometers of driving distance. Charge the battery is easy. Simply take the battery out, and then we have a charging port here that allow you to charge at home or anywhere. And then the batteries comply with airline regulation that you allow you to carry into the airplane, no problem at all. Right. Okay. All right. This wheelchair actually has 180 watts of the motor on the back on both sides, and then also we got an anti-tilt wheel to allow you to have safer driving when you go up against the rollover. And then let me show you how to fold it. It's really easy. Touch the button and you just close it, and then it's really lightweight that almost everyone can handle it. Either elderly or ladies, it's quite easy this way. And then to open it, it's quite easy. I hope this carbon fiber wheelchair will bring you a lot of benefit when you want to move it anywhere, when you want to drive it, and it's also have a good looking. We hope you enjoy it very much. Please subscribe to our channel anytime. We could give you any information you want. Thank you very much.